Welcome back! So, today I am going to talk about apple cider vinegar. I know it sounds a little weird, but I absolutely love apple cider vinegar, and there are a lot of people out there who just don't understand why it's so amazing, so I figured I would make this to help explain why it's so amazing. I'm simply going to share some of my favorite recipes on how I use it, and hopefully you can try them out and benefit from them as well. But before we jump into it, you already know. If you are not yet part of the Chisology tribe, please go ahead and push the buttons because we'd love to have you. Without further ado, let's get into it. As I mentioned, there are so many benefits to apple cider vinegar. Not only is it affordable, but it detoxifies, clarifies, and it's all natural, so really safe. Here are the ingredients that I'm going to be using today, but I'll walk you through them as we go through recipe by recipe. And the first one is, I'm going to teach you how to make a really awesome face mask. Start with a clean face, and then take bentonite clay. You really only need a little bit of this. It goes a long way, so I'm using just a little teaspoon, and you'll see that this is actually too much. Then I'm taking a drizzle of honey and adding it to the recipe. And you can use your favorite honey. There isn't any in particular, so this one is one that I got in Nigeria. I'm then taking apple cider vinegar and just adding a little bit, just enough to effectively create a paste. And I switched to a wooden spoon just because I didn't want it to react, but you'll see that it's all bubbly, which is a great sign. That's what you want. You mix it really, really well, and again, make the paste. This one's a little thin. Just a quick note on these ingredients. So bentonite clay is amazing because it detoxifies. It helps to pull all the gunk out of your pores and do so gently. Additionally, it has a lot of amazing minerals that help to replenish your skin. The apple cider vinegar in this face mask helps to tone your skin, and it's really amazing because it effectively just kills all the bad things without super drying you out. If your skin is super sensitive or you're not used to using apple cider vinegar, I recommend instead of using all apple cider vinegar, add a little bit of filtered water or aloe vera juice alongside the apple cider vinegar. And then the honey is amazing because honey is antibacterial as well as hydrating. So it also helps to soothe your skin and hydrate as you are doing the mask. You effectively just want to apply a thin coat all over your face and onto your neck, and then you let it dry for 10 to 20 minutes. So after the mask is dried for 10 to 20 minutes or longer, because you basically just want to pat it and make sure that it's completely dry, use a hot towel and wipe it off, and then follow up with your regular regimen, but do make sure that you moisturize because your skin may feel a little bit dry because you just basically pulled all the gunk out. So definitely make sure that you moisturize. Next, I'm going to teach you how to make this amazing beverage. So take some filtered water, shake up your apple cider vinegar to make sure that it's mixed really well, and then just add a little bit into your glass. Just a dash. Swirl it around, and you're ready to go. Bottoms up. Why should you drink this, you may be asking? Apple cider vinegar is an amazing detoxifier. When I'm sick or if I feel that I'm coming down with something, I do this, and sometimes I'll even add a little bit of lemon. You can add apple cider vinegar to your ginger tea if you want as well, or your lemonade, and it kind of helps because everything is already acidic and a little bit tart. I like to put this into water when it's cold because then it just tastes better to me, and it's definitely an acquired taste. You get used to it, but it's just amazing at helping to detox your system. And after a while, again, you get used to it. The benefits definitely outweigh the calibration period of getting used to the taste. But personally, at this point, I love putting apple cider vinegar in my water, and I like the tartness, so maybe that's just me. Lastly, I'm going to teach you how to make this scalp cleanser. You basically need either 1 part apple cider vinegar to 1 part aloe vera juice or filtered water, or you could do 1 part apple cider vinegar to 2 parts of the other fluid. Start with dirty hair and simply massage it into your scalp. So squeeze and massage, squeeze and massage all over. Then continue as you normally would with your deep conditioning routine or with your wash routine if you want to use shampoo and wash your hair. I'm not really big on shampoo myself, and very seldom, actually I don't use shampoo anymore. I'll use shampoo bars, so shampoo soap bars, but basically I use either a clay cleanser that I make, or I'll use apple cider vinegar, and usually because I'm really lazy, I just use this apple cider vinegar rinse and then I co-wash, and that's all I really need to keep my hair clean. The benefits of this though, it basically, again, kind of detoxifies and clarifies your scalp without stripping any of the natural oils. And that in turn actually makes it easier to detangle your hair. I just can't explain how amazing it is. It helps with dandruff. It helps with itchy scalp. Just so many benefits. And again, the smell is pretty strong, but once you get used to it, it's not a big deal. And then you just need to make sure that you rinse it all out very, very well. But then you're basically done. But yeah, so I hope you enjoyed these recipes. I love them, use them all the time. And as per usual, if you have any questions, contact me, follow me, and like and subscribe. Can't wait to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.